Hello guys, a new mining video for a new mining site. This is the homepage of the site. Our link will be in the description, also in the first comment of the video. You see, I made a new one. This is the homepage of the site. The link will be in the description. So the first comment, like you see, it's based in viewing videos. After registration with your email, you can go to videos. You must confirm your email, like you see, and you click in watch videos. Like you see, it's simple. You wait until it's the countdown end. That's all. You watch each video every time to accumulate earning. Like you see here, the menu. There is your profile. You go to payout setting. You put your preferred payout setting: Payeer, Advicash, Tron, Dogecoin, Kiwi. Here you put your address of payout. We'll use an automat program to earn without doing anything. There is also another site to explain like that. We return, like we see. We click here. For this, we will need an app, a macrodroid. In the site, it offers you the script. You click in macro. You download the macro from here. Download the macro from here. You download the application from here, macrodroid, from Google Play, like you see. I will show you the application now. This is the first video. Let's go to the second video, to the second site. This is the second site. It is same like the one. The two links will be in description. Also of their macro in the description. Also on the first comment in the video. It will based in videos, how to watch videos. You can use two phones, install macro in two phones, and let the phone earn for you. Like I told you, you click in macro, you download macros from here. You click in download, you download, just download. It's very simple. Also, we download macrodroid here, and the script will work. Let's go to macrodroid. This is our macrodroid. It will open like that. Give macrodroid all permission. Like see, I have macrodroid pro. Give macrodroid all permission to work normally. You click in import and export. You click in storage. We select two files that we don't download, WC and PIV. We click like that, and we click here. The macro, you click here. I already installed the macro. When you click here, the macro will be installed in your application. You click in macro. Like you see, you will find the macro here. We return. I will install PIV. We click here. Like we see, I have this for first video and this for second video. You can't run two at once. You must use two phones if you want to earn from two sites or work separately from two sites. You must give permission to this application, all permission. We return to our application. We click in app. We click in our, we choose macrodroid. You must give all permission. If you want to add permission manually, you can do manually. if in Android 13 you will have some issues, we click in permission, we click here all permission, you give all permission like you see. You scroll down in advanced, you allow display. It will ask you for accessibility. Like I told you, here in macrodroid, you must give here accessibility. You will have this macrodroid fingerprint, macrodroid e-interaction, and macrodroid volume. It will be installed with macrodroid. You will give all permission. You click in it and give use this you activate this one for every application separately, like we see. Our link will be in description of the first site, of the second site, also of the two macro, also of the application. If any problem, just comment, I will answer. It's very simple. You just need to give permission to application, all application. If the application don't work well, just change the default browser to Google Chrome browser. That's all. Let's see how it's work. We just activate this one. Now the script work perfectly without doing anything. It will work for you. Sometimes it gives error. Don't worry. Like I told you, sometimes it gives error, like shown below. We work second script. Go to your video and play video. Sometimes it gives error. Don't work. Don't worry. Just reload again. It's very simple. It will do the work for you. It will work automatically. As I told you. Let's do a macro. We activate this one for the first site. You must, if there is an error, you must give all permission to macrodroid to work perfectly. That's all. Like you see, the macro start immediately to work.
Ndagusaba wenda ngo wivuge mu kinyamurenge ukoreshe ikinyamurenge.
That's how it works. It's very simple. It will do the work for you without any interaction of you. Like you see, it will do all the work for you. Let's go to other site. It's work perfectly. Like I told you, you register in the two site and download macro from the site, like shown in the video, and do your just activate one of them or use two phone and do the same steps to work perfectly from two application. Sometimes in this site it gives you error. Don't worry, you can let in the night work for you, have some earning for you. Like I told you, like you see, this is two macro, like I told you, for two sites. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.